Hello, fellow YouTubers. This is Heavy Hitter once again, WallStreetFatCats. Today I did three trades on Goldman Sachs today. It's all I did today. Everything else, it was a pretty low volume all around, all day today. Um, and tomorrow being New Year's Eve, tomorrow's the last day of the week. Friday, it's gonna be closed. Okay, so the first trade that I did today on Goldman Sachs, I did it at 13:22 Eastern time, and the price was 166.80. Now this is the Goldman Sachs GS, and this is the 1 minute interval on the chart. Now I went in at 1322. That is this candle right here. Now as you can see, it was crossing the gray and the orange line that I have, so I wanted to take that short. Um, when I took it, I held on to it, and then I got one of my S's right here, so I knew it was gonna be pretty good. So I just kept holding on to it. Right here, as you can see, it consolidated a little bit. It fell down, came here, consolidated a little bit, and then boom, right under this, one of my indicators that I have here, under my gray and my orange line, and there it goes, boom, huge candle drop right here. Now, once it broke this, once it came down right here, I thought I was gonna break this, but as you can see, it didn't. And it found support, and I held on to it for about 10 minutes, 11 minutes actually, and at 13:33, which is this candle right here. Right when I hit here, I saw that on the candle at 13:32. It didn't break it, so I just figured, what the heck, I'm gonna get out, and I got out at 166.20, and I got out for 60 cents on that. I went in 1,000 shares, so you do the math. All right, next one that I did, I went in at 14:13 Eastern time. Let's see here, 14:13 right here. Now on this one, I did another Goldman short at 166.55. And this one I got 20 cents off of this one, but I was looking for a little bit more, but it didn't go the as far down as I wanted it for it to go, and I got out at 14:25 Eastern time, which is this candle right here. Nope, this one right here, this green one. I saw that I was getting support right here on my orange line, so I figured that it was gonna stay right here and then pop up above my green one, and sure enough, it did. So I just took those 20 cents real quick. Now right here, I was up 80 cents, and I did 1,000 shares on both of them. So I should have been done for the day. And then today too, there was a lot of low volume on Goldman Sachs, not the usual volume. But you know, I was bored. I should have just walked away from the computer, but sure enough, I didn't. And I took another trade on Goldman Sachs at 14:35. And let's see here, 14:35. That is this big green candle right here. Now, right here, I thought I was gonna find some resistance at the top right here. I don't know here. I don't know if you can see this right here, where the cursor line is. You can see that it's finding some resistance right here. So I figured, oh, cool, another short. So on this big green candle here, I took a short at 166.82, 14:35 Eastern time. Now, for a second here, it was going my way. It came down, and then it popped up right here. Now, as it popped up, I kept telling myself, no, short it is gonna keep coming down. It's gonna keep coming down. But as you can see right here, it didn't do that. So I added some more at 167.05, and let's see, 167.05. I got it on right here, on this candle right here, this green one right here. And I kept telling myself, just short it, just short it, just short it. But as you can see right here, it popped back up again. Now, as it popped back up, I didn't want to give up. So, it was already taking a lot out of me, but I just kept wanting to short. I got a little too aggressive on this one. I was down, but what I did here is that I didn't go in so heavy as I did with the other ones, 1,000 shares. So the first trade that I did on this one, I only added a third of my position, which is a third of 1,000 shares. And then the next one I added the other third, and then right here at 167.25, I added the rest of it. So my average for that was 167.03, and I added up here, and then sure enough, it started to come down. And then once it broke my gray line, I figured that it was gonna come down, and it came down all the way to 166.95, and I should have just I should have just taken some half off. I mean, it's not a lot, but I was in the green right here after stressing this upside right here. But um, right here I got an S, so I was a little more confident that I was gonna come down, but it didn't. And then I saw that it started popping up, so I just put my stop at break even, and then right here it took me out. And then I figured, oh, okay, it's gonna break the green line, but after this ride, I just decided not to go no more. So I just stopped, and then when I decided that, didn't break the green line, and boom, came down. So I wrote all this. I kept adding, thinking that it was gonna come down, and eventually it did end up coming down, but I got stopped out break even. Also, guys, you guys make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Um, I post all my live trades right here, as you can see. Goldman short, my first Goldman short, where I entered. You can see 9 hours ago, Goldman short that I covered for 60 cents. Also, the second short covered for 20 cents. Let's see what else I got. The last one that I shouldn't have taken, but I took anyway. Um, this is where I entered, where I added, and first entry where I added again, and then where I got out flat. Um, see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow, hopefully, there's some good ones out there. If not, you know, today was low volume, so tomorrow I'm gonna be very precautious on the volume. Um, tomorrow being New Year's Eve, it's gonna be open all day tomorrow. So let's see. I might just take a half day, or I'll just make a trade real early in the morning and then be done with it. So, all right, this is a heavy hitter for Wall Street Fat Cats.